Welcome to Agnee Engineering, manufacturer and exporter of industrial furnace and ovens products. The company was established in 1988 at Dane. We have spread our wings to Indian subcontinent, East Asia, Middle East, and other countries. Stringent quality control measures, cost-effective prices, customization, and timeliness make us the preferred supplier in the industry. We present a unique range of industrial, annealing, and fluid bed furnace, chamber, conveyorized, and ultra-high vacuum furnace are extremely reliable. Our non-ferrous melting and rotary retort furnace are available with us at cost-effective prices. We are engaged in offering supreme quality pit pot furnace and curing ovens that are a class apart. Our drum heating ovens and rotary hearth furnaces are superior in performance. Our organization is highly involved in providing an impeccable range of gas carburizing, vacuum brazing, and bogey hearth furnace. To know more about us, please visit our website www.industrialfurnacesmanufacturer.com.